All right, this is a very short orientation video for this class. You'll see here when you go to the home page, here's the first module called the orientation module. And you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 pages in this module. Very easy to use. You click on the first page, which is Start Here. And you obviously there's a video there that I made where I do sort of a similar thing that I'm doing right now. At the bottom of each page, you'll see a button that says Next. You just click on the Next button, and that takes you to the next page. And you just read through it. It's a terrible picture of me. I apologize. There's the contact information at the bottom. And just continue clicking through, and it'll take you through everything that you need to know to get started with this class. Very easy to use, very self-explanatory. Make sure you read everything, especially stuff like this, the withdrawal policy. That's very important. All right? And just click, click, click at the bottom of each page, Next. And of course, if you ever need to review anything, at the bottom of each page, you can also go back to the previous page by clicking the previous button. Okay,